As a modular builder, we know it's important for you to maximize the utilization of your factory. With Manufacton, you can have real-time access to your factory productivity, however you need, by station, by line, or by run. As an operations leader, you want to maintain a consistent workforce. Manufacton shows you your factory backlog and when you are over and under capacity. You can monitor your production processes, providing the tools to plan, check, and act, simplifying the continuous improvement process. As a factory superintendent, you can instantly see the laggards and leaders in your production, and easily perform root cause analysis to elevate your laggards. Manufacton is committed to helping modular builders optimize their factories and increase yield.